Now, to take over, mfundisi, it is not easy. To lead, it's not easy. You are not a good leader until you are tested. And we see okokuba wenze ntoni mawutest. Abanye benu, they will run away. Abanye benu, they will leave. Many people bashiya uNkulunkulu kube sithi akabenzeli into because they were not ready to go through the journey. When God is preparing you, you need to be ready for fire and disappointment. You need to be ready. They may not be there when you need them. You need to be ready. O sacrifice yonke into nayo ubenyula banganga kwenyuli when you need them the most. You need to be ready. Yokokuba labo thandaza nabo kungaba abangakufaka emlilweni. Not even othandaza nabo ozalwa nabo esizalweni, ozalwa nabo kungaba abangathumela inkabi zize kuwe, kungangaba abangakufuna ufile. Need to be ready. Need to be ready. You need to be strong. Because the devil used abantwana bakho against you and test your faith and test your resistance and test your love to God. Ngoba manifuthisa makhandlela kuyovutha, kuvuthe kuyotsha yonke into ibivalile, bayovutha nabangafuni niphumelele. Ngoba namhlanje siyothi leli khandlela lihambe liyotshisa zonke izitha zakho. Leli khandlela alihambe liyotshisa zonke izitha zabantwana bakho. Leli khandlela lihambe liyotshisa izitha zabazali bakho. Bonke ababiclare wena maliba expose. Bonke abahleka nawe behlaba ngasemva maliba expose. Bonke ababambile into zakho maliba expose. Oh, you don't hear me?